You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names and vocabulary that confuse a lot of people. Stay tuned to learn more to the channel. In English it's usually said in British English as Renata, Renata. So some say it more as Renata, some more as Renata, Renata. Now in American English it's usually pronounced more as Renata, Renata. It's easy. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support, it helps a lot. Thank you. More videos for you here to learn more free, correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.